Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Rashi Goel. In this video, we are going to simplify this question. So let's start. If something is written like this in the question, so we can solve it like this. Root 2, we can write root 2, but in place of root 50, we can write under root 2 times 5 times 5, and we can take out the pair of 5 outside and write 2. So in place of 50, I can write 5 root 2 over 6. So I can consider it as 1. So 1 root 2 plus 5 root 2 over 6 square. So 1 plus 5 is 6 root 2 over 6 whole square. So I can eliminate the 6 with 6. So what is left? Root 2 square. That is 2. I hope you understand how to calculate this kind of question. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.